Hello everyone, welcome to my demonstration of distributed system using gRPC and protocol buffer. So for this assignment, I have implemented few microservices. So there is already implemented get jokes, set jokes. So I've implemented the convert units which allow user to convert the length, weight and temperature from one unit to another unit. There is another services called library which allow user to view the list of books, borrow available books and return the borrowed books. It's a simple library system. And and this one is a Pokédex that's I've implemented and that's I've implemented my service, which is a simple Pokemon collection. It's a personal Pokemon collection. It allows user to add, remove, and view the collection of Pokemon in his or her Pokédex. So yes, before I run the program, let me show you how I designed the proto for the Pokédex. So let me go. Yeah. So for the Pokédex, yeah, as I've mentioned before, there's a three services to add a Pokemon, remove Pokemon, and a list of Pokemon. In order to add a Pokemon, client request send a Pokemon with a ID, name, and type of Pokemon, and in response back, the server will respond back with a boolean is success, whether it get added or not. If it is added, it gets true and send the message. If it is not added or somehow there is some error, the boolean is success will get it's it return false and send the error message. And for the remove also, it's a remove and add is similar. Add will add a requested Pokemon, and remove will remove the Pokemon object from the JSON file. It's saved somewhere in the program directory. And the list Pokemon is to it list Pokemon. The client requests with the empty protobuf, and in response it get all the list of Pokemons, available Pokemons, or list of Pokemon from the Pokédex. And server responds back with the same is success, whether there is any error or not. If it successfully responds, it will response all the list of the Pokemons. And if there is any error, it will send the error message. So I think, yeah, this is a simple product design, and I think it's easy to understand also. So yeah, let me go to the program and run. Where is Okay, let me show you how it works. Okay, here's a simple screenshot. Okay, let me run node. Yeah, this is before I tried the video before. Okay, that's Gradle. First, let me try to run on the local machine. And yeah, it works fine. To test, let me send the message. Hello, yep, it's working fine. To get a joke, number of joke 2, yep, it's fine. Okay, when I send the more joke, it should get an error, some 400. I am out of jokes, so yeah. And convert units, so let me test a convert unit 12. Okay, let me just type random number, random unit. It gives an error. so it handled the error without crashing the program. And let me kilometer and miles. So yeah, it gives in the result in the miles. So yeah, convert units, it works fine. And to list the view, or to list the book, borrow book and return book, let me try let me see the full book list of book first. Okay, so these are the list of books, and borrowed, there is one borrowed and all available. So yeah, I've tested this before. So this shows the persistence of the program. Let me borrow the book, and let me show. Okay, borrowed this ISBN, the Hobbit, name and Z, and let me show the book again, 5. So yeah, this change to the borrowed by NG. So yeah, it works fine. Let me show you before. Let me show the persistence, whether this is persistence. Let me close the server also. Let me rerun the server and client, and let's see the book list of book. Yep, it's borrowed, and this one is borrowed. So let me return the book. Let me return the book that is not borrowed. So what will happen when I try to return the book? Yeah, it says book is not currently borrowed. So it handled the error perfectly as expected. 7. Let me return book that is borrowed, we just borrowed. Okay, book returned successfully. Let me see the books. Yep, available. So yeah, that's how it works. So for the Pokédex, let me show you on the AWS. So let's exit this one and close the server. Where is the AWS? Yeah, now this is the AWS. Let me, yeah, Gradle run node. So in order to run on the yeah, it's working fine. The server is running, node is working. So in order to run, so here, in order to run the run on the remote on the AWS from different client, we have to put host. That's a IP address of the AWS, and port this 8000 is a default port. So which we can see here. Let me show. Yeah, it's right here, 8000 port. So we need to close this one. So yeah, let me see if it's connected. Echo, let me send some message. Hello. Yep, it's connected here with the AWS. And now let me show you the Pokédex. That is my collection of Pokemon. So let me first view the Pokemon list of Pokemon. Yep, there's a few. Total there's 11. We just delete before I delete the one. So yeah, so now there's all the list of Pokemon that I have. And let me show how to, let me show by, okay, first remove the Pokemon. Okay, let's try to remove Pokemon name Pikachu. Okay, and let me see if it has been removed. 3. Yep, so the Pikachu has been removed. And let me show you how to add the Pokemon ID. Let's put 11 and Pikachu. Okay, electric Pokemon. Pikachu is electric type, so yeah, I just type electric and Trebio. Yep, it's added here. So And I think, yeah, that's it. We have covered everything. Okay, one more thing. Let me show you if it is persistent. So I've exit, the client is exit, and run it again and see. Let's see our Pokédex. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's right there. So this shows the program is persistent, error free. When there is error, it handle the error without exiting. So it handle the error perfectly, and the program is persistent. All the file is saved on the JSON. So Pokédex is right here. So it's a list of Pokemon. There is no Pikachu because this is a local machine, and this is list of book. Yeah, it's right here. Yep. And library data. This is where the is borrowed. If it is borrowed or not, yeah, it shows this one. So I think, yeah, we have covered everything here, and thank you for watching.